Hi guys, this is Rhonda Love with Editor-in-Chief of Grand Manor Magazine, aka Mad Hatter, Diva, and her Wonderland. Welcome again. I'm so glad to pop in, saying hello to all of our Twitterers and Facebook guys, and then also to our YouTubers. So I want to say hello guys, and I'm popping in because I want to take you into my Wonderland, and we're going to go visit Grand Manor Magazine's website. Today it's the weekend, and as you know, every weekend I pop in to share with you what's new on our shopping hotspots. So are you ready? Oh, let me put my pocketbook down. I just came in from going on an errand. I'm going out to the grocery store. I'm going over here and going over there and picking up this because today's Saturday. So let me put down my purse and let's get busy checking out what's new. All right, I'm going in. As you know, this week we're titling our theme is called Feeling Good, Ooh La La. Okay? I just love saying that. That's I mean, really, I'm having so much fun here. So now, when you go to Grand Manor Magazine's website, be sure to go in. You'll see the link below. It's www.grandmanor.com. So be sure to click on the link below so you can visit our website and visit the shopping hotspots. Today, I just want to share with you, we have some wonderful sales and deals. A lot of ASOS items are posted on our website right now. Really some awesome sales, awesome deals. And again, if you go in, you're going to see some very beautiful, lovely items. I got to back up. I got to talk about these. I love those ballerina pumps. Most of you girls and ladies know out there that what I love about the flat ballerina pumps, they are comfortable, they're quick to slip on, you just slip them on and out you go. It's that easy. That's what I love about it. But what I love about this particular pump, ballerina pump, is I love the ribbon that they have that goes on your ankle, which is so adorable. It is so cute. And you know what? It was $42. Now it is $12.60. I mean, you really cannot beat that price. And I love it. It's from Vero Moda. I'm not too familiar with them, with that store, you know, but I have to say they really got my attention. I really love that ballerina flat, comfortable shoe. And, you know, it's a pump, but I love it because it's like a slipper, you know what I mean? So I really do like that. I also like the truffle collection. And if you look right over here, make sure I have this up so you guys can see the price and everything. The truffle collection, it's an easy ballet flat. It's what I love about this, that's more like an Audrey Hepburn type of a shoe. Remember, ladies, Breakfast at Tiffany's? Remember that movie? I love Audrey Hepburn. But the truffle collection is really very nice ballet flat shoe pointed toe. Sort of reminds me of that a little bit, more of like the 1960s. So it's sort of, you know, very trendy, and I love that it's flat and comfortable. So I do like that type of a ballet flat shoe. So again, we have some really wonderful items. You definitely want to shop on the website today and tomorrow. Now remember, these items are only posted for a limited time. You know, I had a person, what she did, she had text, and she says, oh, I saw this item on there and I couldn't find it. No, we don't leave it. It's only posted for a limited time. Now, if you notice on our website, the shopping hotspots, it has many different stores, name brand stores, and you'll see many different items on there in each specific hotspot section on here. So if you look here, that's a hotspot. And then if you go, let's go really quickly. Oh, if you go to our recipe page, then you'll see a hotspot there as well. And here we are, we're in there now. And if you look right there, you see that? That's with the cluster. Oh my gosh. This recipe, oh, that popcorn recipe, I absolutely love it. It is so easy to make. I absolutely love it. Some of you have probably already downloaded already and printed the recipe. You probably saw it on our Facebook page. You probably saw it on our Twitter page. It was really, and it's courtesy of the popcorn board. So very, very nice key lime popcorn cluster. So that recipe is pretty awesome. And then the steak I hope I'm saying that right. Steak banh mi recipe, and that's another wonderful recipe that you can print and download. If you haven't done that, please, you can do that. Go to our recipe page. Now, if you cursor down, as I mentioned about the show, don't forget, we do have advertisers and things, and if you do see our advertiser, just click, and you can, of course, patronize them as well. Go in and check out, see what they're doing. This one here is the Global Family Success Institute. Very, very nice. You probably want to check that out as well. And you can just click here and get information about any up-and-coming webinars that they have, any webinar series that they're doing. So we do have advertisers on each one of our pages, on our shopping pages. And here is the shopping item here, Shopping Hotspot number 4. And as you can see, the other page, you saw the dresses and the shoes and all of that. But also on our website, we have everything for everyone. You know what I mean? Like here, we have something which is really nice, like this melamine salad plates, tropical fruit, absolutely gorgeous, so picnicky, great if you are, getting your patios together, your backyards, all that stuff, getting ready to do some outdoor family gatherings, and really nice picnics. I call it outdoor backyard picnics. We have some really wonderful items that you can purchase. This one here is a set of 4 for $49, so it's really kind of awesome, really nice. We also have some Foodalicious items on here as well. This one here is a 24-piece cookie and bar tin. It has delicious bars in it. It's from Feed Your Soul, and they have some really delicious. If you are a brownie person, you love brownies and that type of thing, you're going to love this. This is such a wonderful item to gift to someone, to cheer them up or to make them feel good. Again, here we go with the feel good. It's something to make you feel good. So definitely it is a really wonderful item that you can get, and you can gift it for somebody for their birthday, somebody who's having a birthday in June, or they're having a birthday, who knows, the tail end, I think we're near the end of May, but definitely it is a wonderful item to purchase. And here we have some other things. If you look in here, see that? I love that. Look at this. Speaking of picnic, the glass candy 3-piece 1 bottle tabletop. Oh my goodness, look at that spiral, but look how cool it is. You know how you're outside and you have your glass and you're going along like this, and then you're going like, okay, where can I put it at? Or let's say if you're sitting in the grass and you're going, should I just put it on the ground? Here you get to put it in these beautiful, isn't that nice, holders here, and you just slide your glass in there, and this way it stays perfect, poised right there in the grass or on the side there. It's really very nice. It's a wonderful item to get. $36.99. We have some really nifty items posted on the website in our shopping hotspot. Now remember, this is in the shopping hotspot number 4, so you want to check these items out. We even have Dylan's candy bar, candies and stuff like that, gift sets. Absolutely wonderful. So we have a little bit of everything for all the different people out there, different individuals. I always say, do you, right? Do you? You know what I mean? If you see something and it's sort of your flavor, then that's the item for you. So we have something for everybody. So as you can see, oh dear, oh my goodness, what is that? Oh, there's the Mad Hatter me. Okay, I hope that's not the rabbit. I hope we're not going to have anything. Hang on one second. Oh, that was just a clock. And in my Wonderland, we have timers and clocks. You'll probably see on there on the website on our homepage, where we have a timer on there, so I know so this way you'll know like day by day when we're going to be able to, when we'll be doing this shopping party. So definitely, if you want to know when we're on, definitely go to our homepage and you can see, and it lets you know how many days before I am live. This is probably pre-recorded, but you'll see when I'm on here to share a moment with you guys, okay? So as you can see, let's get to this item here. I love this one. I want to talk about this here. The cheesy melamine appetizer plates, set of 4. Look at that, looking sharp. Cheese Louise, that's so cute. Oh, and look at this one. It doesn't get feta than this. Feta like feta cheese. Did you get that? You probably didn't get that. Let me just say it again. It doesn't, see what it says on the plate. It doesn't get feta than this. That's nice. Life is Gouda. Gouda? I think that's what that says. I am loving this set. And I think it's going to be a great conversational piece as well. Can you imagine handing that over to somebody and then everybody's talking about it? Cute. $29, and it's from Frontgate. So we have some wonderful items in here. So you want to check this out. Definitely go to our recipe page so you can, of course, you have a lot of things to do on that page, a lot of things that you can shop from that is so related, some kitchen items to picnic items, just a little bit of everything. So be sure to check that out. So I'm having fun sharing all of this with you, everyone. And look at how quick, no, I want to show you another thing. When you go to our website, and let's just say you cursor all the way down, this is so cool. I love this. Let me see if it's on here. Oh, let me go here. Okay, don't you just love that? Look at that. I love it when it spins around. It's absolutely gorgeous, so much fun. Okay, so listen. Definitely visit our website so you can see all these wonderful, fun items. Okay, so we've done 2 shopping spots today, and next week we'll be hitting a few more shopping spots. So be sure to go to the website at www.brandmanor.com. The link is right there, so below. I think it's right before the comments. And definitely, if there's an item that you're looking for, if there's an item you want to see more of, let us know. And we'll definitely do some shopping, and we'll touch base with you, and we'll post them on the website, okay? So remember now, the items on there, we do get a commission. Once you purchase your item and everything. Just want to let you know that the links, we do get a commission from that when you go through our website and through the links that are on the website, okay? And when you do that, you are supporting the magazine, okay? So be sure to do that. And listen, guys, thank you for letting me into your world. I'm wishing you all a wonderful, wonderful, beautiful weekend. For us, we had some beautiful sun and stuff. That's why you see me with this hat on today. It's sort of a beach hat, but you know what? I don't go with tradition. I just wear what I want to wear. And I tell you, this was comfortable today. And as you can see, I have my lovely Juicy Couture bag, tote bag. And you know what? I'm going to be posting some more Juicy Couture bags. We're going to be posting those on the website as well. And if you like something like this, we're definitely going to post some things from Juicy Couture as well, and some other name brand items. So be sure to go to our shopping hotspots so you can see what's new and all of that. So I want to thank you again for joining us for another Shopping Mad Hatter Diva and her Wonderland shopping party, okay? So we'll see you next time. Have a wonderful weekend, and see you next week, guys. Okay, bye-bye.